Hi, hello, good morning. My Loit, I am CSM B section. Today, my topic is about explanation of sum of arrays elements program. Introduction. Sum of arrays elements program are used to calculate the sum of elements in array. These programs are commonly used in the various programming languages to perform mathematical operation on arrays. The sum of arrays elements is a fundamental operation in many applications and can be computed using different approaches. Basic basic algorithm. The basic algorithm of sum of arrays element program involves intelligence a variable to store the sum. The program then indents each two elements the array adds to sum of vibration in the the iterating through all elements that the program outputs the final sum. Example program. Let's consider an example program in C to calculate the sum of array element. The program starts by declaring an array and initializing it when some values. Then a variable sum is initialized to 0. Store the sum of elements. Okay, so we also see this picture. Pointers program, sum of array elements using pointers. Complexity analysis. The time complexity of sum of arrays elements programs is typically 0 when n is the number of elements in the array. This is because the base the program needs in iterate through each elements once to calculate the sum. When space complexity is useful 0 1 as it requires a single variable to store the sum. Now we observe the picture CPU operations time complexity. Input size. This is errors handling. In sum of array elements program, error handling is essential to ensure proper execution. Common errors include accelerating out of boundaries. Array includes usually vibrate. On handle those arrays program often a conduction or expectations handling elements such as the possible and ensure correct results. How the errors we find out, see the picture, and we also observe that how the errors we find out. Alternative approaches. These are alternative approaches to calculate the sum of array elements. One such approach is using rescuing when the sum of computed by recursive adding elements. Another approach is used to build-in functions at libraries that provide some functionality. Sum of the elements of the arrays. Now we show the A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. See the picture, we can observe that how the elements of the array include that printer. Optimization techniques. Optimization techniques can be applied to improve the performance of sum of arrays element program. For example, using parallel processing or it can speed up the calculation of a large arrays. Additionally, for For computing the catching intermediate results can reduce redundant calculation in certain seniors optimization method also like flowchart we design in this particular space. Now look at the picture. Common pet files. Then implementing some of array elements programs, there are common pet file to be avoided. One common mistake is forgetting to initialize the sum variable before the loop. Another pitfall is using the wrong loop. Enter mentioned condition leading in incorrect result or indefinite loops. Double as can be stop the you also see the picture. Real world application. The sum of arrays elements program have seriously real world application. They are used in the final and econometric to calculate address like total serials or average prices. In scientific communication, arrays elements is common in simulations and data analysis. Summary. Sum of arrays elements program is used to calculate the sum of elements in the array. They involve initialization the sum variable initializing through the array elements and adding them the sum. This program have time explanatory and space explanatory reference. Title of the atlas books, journal title, columns, page numbers you like this. And thank you.